200 unique world facts. 1. The human brain is more active at night. 2. The human body contains enough iron to make a small nail. 3. Red blood cells live only 120 days. 4. We blink about 20,000 times a day. 5. Each person's tongue has a unique taste print. 6. Over a lifetime, saliva could fill 2 swimming pools. 7. The nose can detect more than 1 trillion scents. 8. The strongest muscle in the body is the tongue. 9. At birth, humans have 300 bones, adults only 206. 10. The brain cannot feel pain. 11. An octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. 12. Elephants can't jump. 13. Cats can make over 100 different sounds. 14. A blue whale weighs as much as 30 elephants. 15. Butterflies taste with their feet. 16. Male penguins propose with a pebble. 17. Camels can close their nostrils. 18. Dolphins give each other names through whistles. 19. Hummingbirds can fly backward. 20. Frogs can freeze solid and come back to life. 21. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters every year. 22. Antarctica is the largest desert on Earth. 23. There's an underwater river in the Atlantic Ocean. 24. Rainbows only appear when the sun is behind you. 25. The oldest tree is over 4,800 years old. 26. Volcanoes can create lightning. 27. Lake Baikal in Russia holds 20% of the world's fresh water. 28. The Sahara Desert used to be an ocean. 29. The smell of rain comes from a compound called petrichor. 30. Lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. 31. Cleopatra lived closer to the moon landing than to the building of the pyramids. 32. Samurai shaved the tops of their heads to fit helmets. 33. Salt was once called white gold. 34. The oldest national flag still in use is Denmark's. 35. Rome has existed for more than 2,700 years. 36. Napoleon wasn't short, he was 168 cm tall. 37. The pyramids were once covered in shiny white limestone. 38. Pigeons were used to send war messages. 39. Pompeii was buried for 1,700 years. 40. The earliest writing came from Mesopotamia. 41. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. 42. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the solar system's mass. 43. A day on Venus is longer than a year there. 44. There is no sound in space. 45. Saturn could float in water. 46. Footprints on the moon can last millions of years. 47. It rains diamonds on Neptune. 48. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. 49. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. 50. Earth's rotation is slowing slightly each year. 51. The first computer weighed 27 tons. 52. The first email was sent in 1971. 53. Emojis were created in Japan in 1999. 54. Wi-Fi is older than the smartphone. 55. 3D printers can build entire houses. 56. Human DNA is 60% similar to that of a banana. 57. The first electric car was made in 1828. 58. AI can recognize faces faster than humans. 59. The first robot appeared on a theater stage in 1921. 60. Every 2 minutes, we take more photos than in the entire 19th century. 61. Canada has the longest coastline in the world. 62. Japan has over 5 million vending machines. 63. Iceland has no mosquitoes. 64. Australia has more kangaroos than people. 65. Russia has 11 time zones. 66. Switzerland has more bunkers than citizens. 67. Finland is the happiest country in the world. 68. Chewing gum is banned in Singapore. 69. Cows are considered sacred in India. 70. South Korea counts age differently from most countries. 71. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. 72. Honey never spoils. 73. You can't sink in the Dead Sea because it's so salty. 74. A cockroach can live a week without its head. 75. Potatoes were first cultivated 7,000 years ago. 76. Rocks can walk in Death Valley. 77. There's a cave with crystals the size of school buses. 78. Butterflies can see colors humans can't. 79. Chickens can recognize over 100 faces. 80. Flamingos are pink because of their food. 81. The brain uses 20% of the body's energy. 82. Music can change your heartbeat. 83. Laughter boosts the immune system. 84. Children's brains are more active than adults. 85. Memories change every time we recall them. 86. The brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. 87. People are more honest when they're tired. 88. The color blue calms the mind. 89. When you dream, your brain doesn't realize it's not real. 90. You can dream in just a few seconds. 91. A day on Mars is almost the same length as one on Earth. 92. A year on Mercury lasts only 88 days. 93. An atomic clock can lose only 1 second in 15 million years. 94. Time feels faster when we're happy. 95. Earth slows down slightly every century. 96. At the poles, there is daylight for 6 months straight. 97. The oldest calendar, found in Scotland, is 10,000 years old. 98. The year 46 BC lasted 445 days, the longest year ever. 99. Einstein proved time slows down at near light speed. 100. Living in orbit makes you a few microseconds younger. 101. It really rains fish in Honduras. 102. A mountain in Australia glows at night due to phosphorus. 103. There's a boiling lake in Dominica. 104. Ball lightning is rare but real. 105. Ice can burn if mixed with methane gas. 106. Clouds can weigh millions of kilograms. 107. It may rain diamonds on Jupiter. 108. There's an underwater river in Mexico. 109. Lava can flow faster than a car. 110. Some flowers bloom only once every 100 years. 111. Bamboo can grow up to 1 meter per day. 112. The Venus flytrap closes its trap in 0.1 seconds. 113. Trees can communicate through their roots. 114. Plants can detect the sound of running water. 115. The largest organism on Earth is a fungus. 116. Baobab trees can store 100,000 liters of water. 117. Roses can grow in space. 118. Some flowers bloom only at night. 119. Trees can share food with neighboring trees. 120. Moss can grow on rock surfaces without soil. 121. Mandarin has over 50,000 characters. 122. English adds a new word every 2 hours. 123. The shortest language has only 12 letters. 124. French used to be the world's diplomatic language. 125. There are over 7,000 languages on Earth. 126. Sign languages differ between countries. 127. Emojis are recognized as an official language by UNESCO. 128. Latin is a dead language but used in medicine. 129. Indonesian is among the top 10 most spoken languages. 130. Ancient people communicated with smoke and drums. 131. Tokyo is the most populated city in the world. 132. Venice was built on 118 islands. 133. Paris is called the City of Light for its early gas lamps. 134. New York has more rats than people. 135. Singapore has vertical forests on its buildings. 136. In Dubai, rain can be created using drones. 137. London has more than 170 museums. 138. Mexico City sinks about 10 centimeters each year. 139. Jakarta was once called Batavia. 140. Seoul offers free Wi-Fi almost everywhere. 141. Ice can appear blue under high pressure. 142. Antarctica is the driest place on Earth. 143. There are active volcanoes beneath Antarctic ice. 144. The North Pole has no land, only sea ice. 145. Polar animals have natural antifreeze in their blood. 146. Some fish can swim in -2 degrees Celsius water. 147. Hot water can freeze faster than cold water. 148. Antarctica can reach -89 degrees Celsius. 149. Ice at the poles traps air from thousands of years ago. 150. Snow can fall in pink color. 151. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. 152. Sound travels faster in water than in air. 153. Gravity is weaker at the equator. 154. Geothermal energy comes from Earth's core. 155. Earth's magnetic field shifts every year. 156. Electricity can form naturally from air friction. 157. Lightning strikes Earth 8 million times a day. 158. UV rays can pass through clouds. 159. In space, water boils without heat. 160. Black holes can bend time. 161. Gold is edible in small amounts. 162. Diamonds are made from carbon under extreme pressure. 163. Glass flows very slowly over centuries. 164. Diamonds can form inside volcanoes. 165. Wood can sink if it's old and dense enough. 166. The iron on Earth came from ancient meteorites. 167. Sand can sing when blown by wind. 168. Jade was once more valuable than gold in China. 169. Plastic takes 500 years to decompose. 170. Some metals are liquid at room temperature. 171. The tallest person ever was 2.72 meters, Robert Wadlow. 172. The shortest person was only 54 centimeters tall. 173. The largest pizza ever made was 1,200 meters wide. 174. The oldest known animal lived 507 years, a clam. 175. The most expensive ice cream costs $1 million per scoop. 176. The tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa. 177. The longest river is the Nile. 178. The deepest cave is Krubera Cave, over 2 kilometers deep. 179. The highest mountain is Everest, 8,848 meters, 180. The tallest waterfall is Angel Falls in Venezuela. 181. Lego bricks can be combined in 900 million ways. 182. Humans walk about 110,000 kilometers in a lifetime. 183. There are more chickens than humans on Earth. 184. An ostrich's eyes are bigger than its brain. 185. The hardest language to learn is Mandarin. 186. 4 babies are born every second. 187. Sharks can't stop swimming. 188. A zebra's stripes are as unique as fingerprints. 189. The average person sleeps for 25 years in their lifetime. 190. Earth isn't a perfect sphere, it's slightly flattened at the poles. 191. Babies don't shed tears until about 2 weeks old. 192. The human heart beats around 3 billion times in a lifetime. 193. We lose about 50 to 100 hairs every day. 194. The Mayans used chocolate as currency. 195. Human teeth are as strong as shark teeth proportionally. 196. Spiciness isn't a taste, it's a pain sensation. 197. Music can help plants grow faster. 198. Enough sleep increases creativity. 199. Animals can sense earthquakes before they happen. 200. Smiling is contagious, even through a screen.